This is question number 7 in the November 2014 non-calculator paper. So, reading through this question to begin with, it says the diagram shows the plan of a floor. Okay, so this is the plan of the floor, the shape of the floor. It's a compound shape. It's made up of 2 rectangles. The area of the floor, so the area is 138 meters squared, and they want us to work out the value of x. Now, there's several ways you could go about doing this. I'm going to choose one which I think is not necessarily the best one. It is pretty straightforward. They're all the different techniques for doing this are equally good, but most people often split the shape. I'm going to split the shape along here. And the reason I'm going to split it along there is because it helps me form this rectangle, this big rectangle, and I know its length is 15 and I know its width is 8. So to work out the area of this whole rectangle, I'm going to do 15 times 8. Okay, now 15 times 8, that's not too hard a multiplication, but just to talk you through it, 15 is 10 and 5. 10 and 5 is 15. So I'm going to do 10 times 8, which is 80. 5 times 8, which is 40. And if I add those two, that gives me 120. So 15 times 8 is 120 meters squared. That's the area of that big rectangle at the top. I still need to work out the area of this rectangle here to help me find x. What I do know is that the area of the whole thing, the area of the whole shape, is 138. So the area of this rectangle, its area is going to be 138, the area of the whole thing, take away the area of this rectangle at the top, 120. And that's going to give me 18 meters squared. Okay, so I know the area of this shaded rectangle here is 18. Now 3 times, so 3, which is its width, times its length is going to give me 18. 3 times what will be 18? 3 times 6 is 18. I mean, I'm doing 18 divided by 3 to give me that 6. That's how I've worked that out. So this distance across here is 6 meters. And that's the same as the distance over here. That's 6 meters. The distance all the way across, remember, is 15. So this distance, x, is going to be 15 take away 6. 15 take away 6 is going to give me x. And that's 9 meters. So I've worked out that x is 9 meters. Do need to take your time with this. Make sure you show all the working and all stages of it. Take care. Go through it a couple of times. Make sure you do understand it. Slightly different from most of the questions you get with these compound shapes. And there are other ways and other techniques of doing it.